So short and sweet of what a twist is. A twist, technically, we can learn before a CC because this is kind of showing us how to shift our weight around. So real short, real fast, how to go through this a little bit quicker than the video before, kind of explaining a little bit more. So what we're going to do is crab position. Right foot's going to go out. You're going to take your left hand. You're going to reach over your chest. Weight is going to be shifted over to the right side. Your left knee is going to go to the floor, okay? I want you to bring your right foot along with it to have a twist motion, okay? So the foot is going to follow it, okay? You're going to basically crunch in over here, okay? You're going to pop back out. You're going to switch back to a crab position, okay? Switch your feet up. Right hand, left side. Right knee is coming to the floor. You're going to twist in. You're going to pop back out. Crab position, okay? So right foot, twist in, back out, crab. Left foot, over, out, crab, okay? Twist, 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 and twist. Okay, easy, cool, super cool to do. Gives you a good switch up in your footwork if you really want to. So again, practice it a lot. Make it look good, make it look comfortable. That's about it.